Alright, this showed up today. It's a 72 Cappra 125. Those are the original tires. Got it from the original owner. Thing's in really nice shape. It's a little crusty. We'll clean it up, get it running. He says it was rebuilt and he only rode it a couple times after that. Some stuff needs re-chromed on it. Interesting silencer. You got some. The shocks aren't leaking at all. It's got good compression. They're cool bikes. Look at how wide them handlebars are. They're like 5 feet wide. And a shot from the front. It's going to need fork seals for sure. We clean the fuel system out. Got the side panel. Another carburetor, but it's got all the air box. Look at that air box. It's just like a funnel right down into the motor. Probably didn't do too well when it was raining. A big giant sprocket, a little tiny front sprocket. Yeah, it turns over. Yeah, I can get it running, make another video of it.